Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today to talk about the 215 Pro by Miller Electric here. So I'm going to talk about the 4 new features that come on this unit. So this is also on the 211 Pro and the 215 Pro. And we'll link my other videos down. We update the older 215 and 211s, and they show you in that video. We'll link it down below. But in this video, we're going to talk about Dynapulse, Pulse TIG, the program mode, and then the BeadVision that's new to these machines. So we'll just dive right in. So we'll link my other videos down below, but I pulse weld with this. So you have to have 035 wire and 90-10 gas, 90% argon, 10% CO2. But it has all the preset settings. I'll hop around front here and show you guys. So basically, what's new to this, we'll go into process. So what we have here, we have just MIG, flux core, Pulse MIG, and then we get into TIG, and it also pulses TIG, and then we go to stick, which it doesn't have 6010 on there, 601113 or 7018. But what we'll do here, we'll go into Pulse MIG, and then you pick steel C10, which is your 90-10 gas. Click on that. And so it jumps over to this. This is in manual mode. You can also put it in auto set. So that's pretty cool. We're going to turn out auto set, and I'll show you guys here one thing. So if you look at this, as I turn this up and down the arc length here, it gives us, this is what they call BeadVision. So the BeadVision is showing me what is happening to my wire and how it's adjusting it and what's happening to my bead profile. So that's all new to this unit called BeadVision. So it goes up to 10, it goes down to -9.9. So I'll show you guys both. There you go, -9.9. But we're going to go back to 0.0. So we're in manual mode, and in manual mode, what happens is you have program mode. So we can go into programs, we can hit, so all you got to do is just, it's got 3 program modes or 3 programs you can store. So you just hit and hold, boom, and it saved that setting for us right there. So if we want to go back, we like that setting, that sort of thing, only in manual mode can you get into program mode to save 3 different programs, which is awesome. So that way you don't have to remember what you had it set at if you liked a certain setting. But like I said before, you have to have 035 wire to pulse, and you have to have 90-10 gas, which is awesome. But if we go into auto set too, same thing, BeadVision shows up. Very, very cool. MIG here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to process. We're gonna go down to TIG, and I'll show you guys how to turn on the pulser, and also that it has a program mode as well. It's gonna give us the alert because we don't have the torch hooked up right now. But what we're gonna do, so we're in auto set. Notice it doesn't have pulse in that auto set. We're gonna shut it off, go into manual mode, then it has the pulser. So that now it's on, and then you click it, and it shuts it off. So it disables and enables it, gives us that error code. We don't have it hooked up right now. If we turn the pulser on, right, then we can go turn pulses per second all the way up to 200 pulses per second, and then all the way down to 0.1 pulses per second. And then it gives us BeadVision as well and shows us what it's doing to the arc, which is pretty sweet. As far as that goes, when you're pulsing, it's going to show you what it does to the bead and to the arc length, or the arc conical shape of the TIG torch there. Pretty cool. Then we go into program mode, and there we go. We can store it. Takes 3 seconds. Boom. There it is. TIG set. So very, very nice. Only in manual mode can you get the program and the pulser, but very, very cool. So if you have a 211 or 215 that has a USB port, but you don't have those programs, right here, we'll link our video down, but I'll show you how to update it. You just plug in. It's super simple. I did it on the first try, no trouble. It updated, turned an older machine into the newer machine. So very, very cool though. Awesome. To the world of the 215 Pro, great features. Those 4 new features are really, really nice, handy to have. That new Dynapulse is very nice because it requires less operator skill or knowledge, I guess, of how the pulse is actually working. If we turn on auto set, it's going to pulse out really well. And check out my other video on that. We run it. It runs great. I run 60 or 060 material, which is about 16 gauge. Ran great. No spatter, super nice weld. But if you guys got any questions, comments, leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more.